This is the first ever grilled siopaw here in Cebu. And this is Upau's Paus, located at Skyrest 3. Landmark is Qualphone Building, and bago lang sila nag-abli diri sa Cebu IT Park. And guys, this is not a usual siopaw, and first time dyan ko makatilaw sa ilahang grilled siopaw. And ang nakanindot diri sa Upau's Paus, ang ilahang grilled siopaw kay no MSG, no preservatives, and no chemicals. So makaingon dyan ka garantisado and healthy sa ilahang grilled siopaw dire. And aside from the grilled siopaw, nasa sila kwapaw which diri na very healthy kaayo. It's made of soft steam buns and naay vegetable. And since it's their grand opening, I tried their lean juicy beef salpica with veggies. And guys, grabe ni siya ka-loaded but sakto ang lasa. And nalan siya pagkaaslom gamay. And I also tried their ubi grilled siopaw and this was so good. So come and visit Upau's Paus at Cebu IT Park. Try the unique experience of their grilled siopaw. And salamat sa pagtanaw!